Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually use Antares Mic Mod. Alright, so if you are thinking of getting expensive microphones so that you're gonna sound great, you need to watch this video, and after that I think you're gonna save some money. Instead, go for this particular plugin that I'm about to share with you. Let me change the colors over here. And guys, we're gonna continue. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Now the name is Jordxn and I'm a music producer. I take you to mixing of vocals, mixing of beats. If you're a beginner to any beat, I got you. Whatever you need to know about music production, you can count on me. Alright, so turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I drop such content. So if you are ready, let's do this right after the intro. Alright, so guys, we are in Cubase 14 now, and I'm gonna use this particular vocal that I recorded. What I got on this vocal is our channel mono coming from Waves, and REQ says EQ also from Waves, auto-tune artist. That's my favorite auto-tune plugin. If you don't know anything about auto-tune, I have a full video take you through step by step, so make sure you go and watch that video. And this is the reverb that I'm using. This is a reverb, default reverb from Cubase. All right, now what I'm gonna do is to load Antares Mic Mod. All right, so this mic mode, let's double click on that. Then let's clean up some of the interface. Alright, so this is Antares Mic Mod, and this is a mic modulator. Now I'm gonna explain things to you. If you recorded your vocals with a cheap microphone, with this particular plugin, you can model your cheap microphone to sound like any expensive microphone that you are thinking of buying. Alright, so over here we have the source mic, where you're gonna select your cheap microphone. I mean, if you watch here, it comes with different microphone brands. So if your microphone is here, what you need to do is to select that. And if your cheap microphone is not here, you can stick to generic, all right, and choose any of these. So I'm gonna stick to generic ribbon. All right, so let's assume that this is my cheap microphone. Now the modeled mic is the microphone that you want to change your cheap microphone to sound like. I mean, the mic that you want to model your cheap microphone to is. Alright, this self-explain. Subscribe, leave a comment, let me know where you are watching me from. Now when I click here, your cheap microphone, you can change it to AKG microphone. Think of any of the AKG microphones over here. You can change it to Behringer, think of blues microphone, and even one of the expensive microphone, that is Sony C800G. You can also change your microphone to Rode Newman's microphone. So what we're gonna do is to play the vocals whilst model the cheap microphone to any of these. All right, so let's play the vocals whilst we are changing the microphones over here.
I see her body fine, girl no go lie. Come be my girl, I go be your man. Girl your body fine, you dey kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my queen. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else. If you know be you.
I want you to use good headset and monitor. So what I'm gonna do is to turn off the instrument, I mean the beat, so that you can actually hear the effect. All right, without the mic mode, this is how our vocal sound.
You get and tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else.
And now we have changed it to Rode NTV. Now listen to that.
I see her body fine, girl no go lie.
So I'm gonna change it to one of the Newman microphone. So let's stick to Newman U47. Now listen to that.
Come be my girl, I go be your man. Girl your body fine, you dey kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my queen. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else. I see your body fine.
Now you can hear the difference. Now you can also even bypass your microphone if it's not here. So I'm gonna bypass this. Now let's play with the modeled mic. So let's consider some of the blues microphones over here.
Girl, no go lie, come be my girl, I go be your man. Can your body fine?
You hear the difference? Without it, listen.
Find you, they kill me slow. Wanna be your king,
And without, listen.
so be my queen. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If
Let's
you know
check
be
the
you,
blue.
I got nobody else. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I got nobody else.
Now let's consider the Sony
I
C800.
see your body fine, girl, no go lie. Come be my girl, I go be your man. Can your body fine?
That's crazy. Now let's change it to the Sony C800GW.
You they kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my queen. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I got nobody else.
I'm gonna stick to the
If you know
Shure.
be you, girl, then tell me who.
The Shure
If you know be
mics.
you, I got nobody else. I see your body fine.
You can actually hear the effect, the Shure SM57 over here. We have modeled our cheap microphone to sound like any of the expensive microphones. So with the Antares Mic Mod, you can actually sound like any microphone that you want to invest into it and save some money. All right.
Girl, no go lie, come be my girl, I go be your man.
All right, so now we're gonna consider the proximity over here. Since I have bypassed the mic, let's look at the proximity over here. The proximity is how close or far you were to your microphone. Now let me change the source mic to, let's say, generic. Let's go for this one. Let's say my cheap microphone was the Manley Reference Gold. All right, so when I push the proximity all the way up like this, listen to the effect.
Can your body find you, they kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be.
All right, so the more we push the proximity all the way up, the more we're gonna hear the vocals as if we were far from the microphone whilst we were recording. All right, so the proximity is how close or far you were to your microphone when you were recording. All right, so you're gonna drag everything back like this.
Be my queen. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I got nobody.
And you can do the same thing to the modded mic. The same thing, how close or far you were to the modded mic that you are aiming at.
Else. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I got nobody else.
You heard the difference? So we're gonna stick to something like 35.
I see your body fine, girl, no go lie. Come be my girl, I go be your man.
That's super crazy, and you can even add saturation to it. Let's exaggerate things over here.
Can your body find you, they kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my queen. If you know be you, girl, then
Now you
tell
hear
me
the
who.
difference, all right?
If you know be you, I got nobody else. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I got nobody else.
They're super crazy. So you can change your cheap microphone to sound like a $10,000 microphone. I mean, with Antares Mic Mod, no need to worry about expensive microphone. Just go and get this. Now the question is simple: how can you actually get mic mode? If you want to save money, watch the next video and I'm gonna show you how you can get a free version. I mean, you're gonna try this mic mode for 14 days, and if you are cool with that, you can actually save some bucks and go for the full version, monthly subscription or yearly subscription. If you are interested, watch the next video that's gonna pop up on the screen. Until then, give the video a like. Let me know where you are watching me from. Subscribe guys. My name is Jordxn. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.